Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved these double Dutch braids. I got so many requests on my last photo to do these braids for you guys, so here they are. They're really easy to do, especially for the winter growth challenge. And the first thing I like to do is go in with my rose hair elixir. I like to put it on the ends of my hair to keep my hair soft and shiny and moisturized. It also helps to prevent frizz. Then I like to tie the section that I'm not working with out of my way. So to start off the braid, you want to take one section of hair and split that into 3 sections. Then you're going to take a side section and cross it under the middle section. Then take the other side section and cross it under the middle section again. And you're going to continue this all the way down your head. And at this point, once you've done it one full round, you're going to want to add an outside piece to the side section before tucking it under the middle. So I'm taking my outside piece, adding it to the side, and I'm going to be tucking it under the middle.
How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom? The roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night.
Okay, so I'm taking my side section, adding an outside piece of hair to it, and then tucking it under the middle. These braids do take quite a bit of practice, and your arms are definitely going to be very sore while you're doing them, but just keep practicing, take it really slow. What really helped me when I started learning was to pick one tutorial on YouTube and just watch it over and over again at the same time as I was trying to do them, and I would just slow down the video while I was watching it to really just try to understand what I was doing. Also, I know I hold my hands a little weird when I do them. You can do it however you are more comfortable. I found that a lot of the time when I was watching tutorials, I would try to copy their hand motions exactly, and it would just get me confused. So do whatever feels right.
Either or, you know I'm compliant. Take a left up ahead, we're going towards the horizon. Don't stop going till we see the sun rising. You know this is who we are, this is what we do. Driving in circles till we find something new. The only person I enjoy sitting in the car with is you. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meet. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze. If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you, staring out the window, looking at the summer view. Fine by you, I'll be next to you. If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you, speeding down the highway with the wind blowing through. Everything around us feeling minuscule. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine.
Okay, so again, I'm just splitting my hair into one section and splitting that into 3, and then I'm crossing the side section under the middle, and then the other side section under the middle. After I've done that one full round, I start adding hair to the braid. Just keep in mind that the bigger the pieces of hair you take, the looser your braids are going to be. So if you want your braids to be really snatched and tight, take smaller pieces of hair, but you also don't want your braids to be so tight that they're hurting your scalp, because it can cause a lot of issues further down the road.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get a hold of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom?
And here are the completed braids. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!